Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add family members to a Spotify premium account in 2025. So this will be a full guide on this topic. Make sure to watch it till the end to learn everything about this. First of all, open your Spotify app on your mobile phone. Then simply click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now you will see these three options from which you'll have to click on settings and privacy button. It will take you to this page where you'll have to click on your account option at the top. When you click on account option at the top, you will be taken to this page. We'll have to click on the premium family button available at the top. It will take you to plan overview page where you can see I have 5 accounts available. You can click on this button that says this much number of accounts available and you'll be taken to this page where it has the button to invite members. So you can invite members to your family plan. Send a link to invite a member to premium. The person you invite will be asked to confirm the address so they can join your plan. So click on invite members button. It will instantly open up this share page where you can click on copy button and copy the link, then share it with the person whom you want to add to your Spotify family premium account. Or you can simply choose an app through which you want to share this link, and whenever the person whom I have sent this link will click on that link, they'll be asked to enter their address, accept my invite, after which they'll be instantly added as a family member to my Spotify premium account. So that was the simple way through which you can add family members to a Spotify premium account in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.